In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a music bot to your server on Discord. Now, it's pretty simple, just make sure you watch it to the end so you don't miss any important steps. But the first thing we want to do to actually add this music bot is we actually want to go over to a new tab and just type in this link. It's called chip.bot.gg/home. Now, once you do that, you just click on the enter option and you want to click on the first option. Now, this is basically the Discord bot that we are trying to add that will be allowed to play music, and you just want to download this bot. How you do this is you click on the chip start and listening, the big button option, and click continue, and this will actually be added to your server of your choice. As you can see, I've just selected my server. Click on the continue option and you can give this bot permissions. If you want it to read messages or send messages, you can do that. You can personalize it however you want. Then you want to click on authoritize and it will actually ask you if you're a human. In this case, we are, so we're going to click on the yes option, and once we do that, it's going to load you to this page right here. It's actually going to bring you back to your server with the bot in it. As you can see, Chip, the music bot, has just been welcomed. And once you do that, you just click on your voice channel. You gotta actually enter a voice channel, otherwise this will not work. And you want to go over to any tab, any of these chat tabs. You can even make a new one. I recommend making a new one called like music channel. And once you do that, you just want to do this command called /play and then enter, and then play whatever song you want. Let's just say we want to play Baby Shark. You just type in Baby Shark, and once you do that, you just click and enter. It'll actually send it to the chat. And how you actually queue other songs is you do /play once again and type in another song that you want to play. As you can see, it will start playing this song, and it's as simple as that to play songs on Discord. And once you do that, you can either pause the songs here or resume them or skip or stop or previous, and that is how you do it. As you can see, the bot is in the server right here. I've just muted it because it's loud, but that is how you do it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below, and we're trying to get to 500 subscribers, so if subscribing would mean a lot to me.